Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showcasing you how to fix your iPhone if it keep on restarting. You want to follow these steps in order to fix. So let's get started. Now, when it comes to iPhone restarting, there are a ton of reasons why this is happening. So you want to follow these steps one by one to rule them all out. So let's get started. Now, the very first step which you want to follow is you're going to quickly press and release the volume up, quickly press and release the volume down, and then hold on to the side button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears. So I will quickly press and release the volume up, volume down, and then I hold on to this side button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears. As soon as the Apple logo appears, I will let go the side button just like that. Now, if it does not work for the very first time, just keep on trying it. If it's the very first time, you just need to get the hang on it, which is quickly press and release the volume up, volume down, then hold on to the side button. In this method, it will not delete any of your personal data, so all of your photos, videos, apps will still be available. It's just basically force restart, which is shut down the phone software and reload the code. Now, after you have done that, the next troubleshooting step to do is to make sure all of your apps are up to date. In order to do that, just go into your app store and then you are going to tap on your profile and then you will be seeing all the apps which needed update. The reason is very simple. Sometimes the app could be causing the phone to crash. So update all the app as soon as you can. Now, another thing you should keep in mind that if you recently installed an app and this is happening, it could be a faulty app. In that case, it may be causing the phone to restart. I recommend removing any recent app that you added. So in order to do that and check out which is the recent app you have added, just scroll down towards the app library and in here you will find out the recent app. Just tap on that and select the app which you have recently added and uninstall them from your device by pressing and holding onto them and then delete the app. Now moving on, another thing you want to do is to make sure your phone has a free space available. So in your settings, go to general and then go to iPhone storage, which will be right up here. And then you want to make sure you have at least 5 to 10 gigabytes or more available. As you can see, I have a lot of space available. The reason is simple. Whenever you are opening up apps or just launching different programs on your app, it requires that you have some space available on your iPhone. If it does not, it's just panic and then causes to restart trying to fix the issue. So 5 gigabit or more, I highly recommend should be available. If you need to delete some stuff, like usually you can delete some photos, videos, apps to clear some of the space, do that because it will help you. Now, along with that, the next troubleshooting step that you want to do is going back to the main setting in your iPhone and you want to take a look at the battery health. Here, tap on battery and you make sure it's a normal or basically your battery is something that needs to be serviced. Here, I have a brand new phone, so it looks normal and 100%. But in the case that this has gone down significantly or it said needs service, you might consider replacing the battery as it could be the reason why it's being forcing it to shut down itself. Now, another thing to consider is going to be your charging port as well. So you want to make sure there is no dust or lint collecting it there. Sometimes those things could interfere with the charging and the power on your phone. So you want to make sure take a flashlight, maybe some needles and gently clean that area and it will be helpful for you. Now moving towards the next troubleshooting step you want to do is go into your settings on your iPhone, go to general, go all the way down where it says transfer reset iPhone. Tap on that. You are going to need to reset all the settings. So when you do a reset all the settings, basically it resets settings like your Apple cards, keys and passes will be removed, but data on your phone will not get deleted like photos, videos, apps, all of that will be there. What it reset is things like network settings, keyboard dictionary settings, handwriting styles, home screen layout, and privacy and location settings. Sometimes these settings after update mess up the phone and it could be causing the phone to keep on restarting. So you want to do that as well. Now, after you have done that and let's say it's not working, the next thing to do is go into your settings, go to general and software update and see if there is a new update available for you. Maybe sometimes there are bugs which are causing the phones to shut down. You need to update the phone because these updates are going to be helpful for you in order to fix the bugs which causing this issue. So if your phone is restarting, so you're going to need to update your phone. But if your phone is keep restarting, then there is another method through which you can update your device. Basically, you need to put your phone into DFU mode and update your device. Now, keep in mind that if your phone recently get a liquid damage like water or get wet and stuff, you want to make sure it dries off by putting it somewhere without using it. I would recommend that do not charge your phone if you recently got your phone wet. You want it to air dry for a couple of hours till it completely dries and then try using it. And that should also fix it. Sometimes if you have a really bad water liquid damage, it could be just an issue where it messes up the actual internal hardware. In that case, you might need a replacement device and you have to take it to the Apple store where they can check it out to see if there is any water damage of your device and replace it. And you guys, these are the simple steps and troubleshooting which you can follow, and hopefully your device will be fixed. I hope these troubleshootings will be helpful for you. If you have any question or query, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.